Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload.
Like mina angazi ukuthi ngathini Thema ngoba ngafunda eZimbabwe ngafunda la eMzansi.
You studied in Zimbabwe
And then ngafunda futhi la eMzansi.
and then you came back this side.
Yeah.
Oh. You got my documents, everything.
Yeah.
My document akakho.
Okwamanje bathi passport.
Une passport le? Or e-sharp. Is it
Hayi
legit right?
Passport e-sharp. Passport.
Yabona ke? Kakhala kuthiwa xenophobia kuthiwa hambana. Iba inkinga enkulu lonto leyo. Uyayibona?
Ngathama la eFarina.
Wena nisuka lapha yana from that side yabona nini
Angiyani Thema la ngimoshile ne mara into le ngiyayigcina.
Yeah.
Angiyagcina Thema ngoba manje ayisangibukise nendlela eright. Singimoshele ilokhozi i-background yami.
Yeah, ke mfana. So izaba yenye inkinga. So wena that ufuneka nje usibonise uba ngobani abenza lento bonke. I-TRU izohamba nawe manje usibonakalisa ukuthi bakupha ababantu i-kingpin ngubani ivulwa kuphi le phone because kuthiwa le phone mos nivulisa la.
Hayi mina sengibachazelile Thema mina mangiyitholile umuntu engimdayiselayo useyibro sidlule khona.
Nidlule khona?
Yebo.
Ukuphi nimthola? Nini mthola TRU?
Asimtholanga.
Animtholanga?
Kodwa sophindela khona manje.
Yeah. Yeah, yabona abantu nibabangela.
When I say 2025 was a year of revelation, guys, I mean it, because what do you mean? A lot of things have been exposed, and guys, Guningi, I'm 100% sure that this guy have been doing this for years. Trust me when I say this. He have been doing this for years, but unfortunately, because this was a revelation year, he was then exposed to the whole country. To the whole country, guys. And within seconds, people have identified him. Okay, here are his social media accounts, and people started bashing him. Please bring back the phone. Like, give back the phone. Okay, and now he was on the run, but guess what? Finally, he was caught red-handed, guys. Guys, Guningi, okay, and here he is trying to explain himself why he stole the phone. Guys, there is no any reason, there is no excuse that you can come here and tell me this is the reason why I traumatize people out there. Do you understand the trauma that he caused to that lady? Do you understand that, guys? Like, it's traumatizing. Trust me when I say this. It's not good. I just feel like at this point they must teach him a lesson, so that when he is released or when he is free, he will not go back there. He will know things that comes out from these actions are very bad. Very, very bad. I just feel like now people, they have to teach him a lesson so that he knows this is bad. We don't do this. Because, guys, these guys are traumatizing people out there. Trust me when I say this. There is nothing that is good with what they're doing. Robbing people, taking people's stuff, phones. You don't know, maybe she's using that phone for work, or she's using that phone. But even if it's not for work, that's her personal phone. It has their own stuff inside there, and you just come out of nowhere, take the phone. Guys, now I say they must deal with this guy and also find his workmates, deal with them all.